Welcome to my studio. I'm Sarah Waters and I'm a felt artist, working and living from my home here in the New Forest. I have spent a lifetime working with wool, and my earliest memories are of collecting pieces caught on the fences and twisting them into long threads. I had no idea at that time that it was unusual for teenagers to be growing their own dye plants. I decided to study agriculture instead of textiles, and after graduating I set up and ran my own company, producing yarn and knitting kits from my flock of several hundred rare breeds of sheep. In the early 90s, felt was in its infancy and there was scarce information. But it was then that the International Feltmakers, founded by Mary Burkitt, was starting to expand. I learnt as much as I could from the few that were willing to teach, and I embraced the ability to be able to experiment and play with the fibres. And 25 years later, I'm still playing, and I'm still loving what I do. I feel like I've gone full circle in life with wool. And even though I know how and what the fibres should do, I still love the alchemy and the unexpected results that transform. I use my hands, a bar of soap. Feltmaking's like putting your best woolen jumper in the washing machine on a hot wash. All these fibres have lots of little scales on them, and the alkalinity of the soap together with a little bit of moisture and friction, agitation, causes those fibres to entangle and mat together to produce a matted textile, one of the oldest known to man. My work recently has been focused on the landscape, looking at the land above and below. My previous work looked at the standing stones that are the markers of the UK and around the countryside. And I love the fact that I can make a lightweight woolen fibre look like stone. Thanks for joining me in my studio. I hope you've enjoyed seeing some of my work.